have a shark robotic vacuum, and suddenly it's give me the error code number 5. So according to the manual, it's one of the wheel is stuck. So I checked that this wheel looks good, but that one was look like when I go like that, it looks, you see that it's stuck, right? So there's the screw. I have to take it out. There's the special Allen screw I am using. So there is a total 1 2 3 4 5 screw. You have to take it out. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, all of same type. And after I pull it out, and let's see, look at that, what I found. It was stuck with this earbud or the anyway, that's make the other than everything is clean. I check it out here. Be careful about this. The also battery line is here. So other than everything is clean, I mean have a little bit stuff, but then I don't see anything is stuck here. Normally some video I saw that over there they have something stuck here, there, everywhere, and right there also by the wheel, but I don't see anything this one. Let's see how it's going on when I put it back together. Alright, I'm going to put it back everything together and just tie it first, then everything. One more here. So I put it back everything together, like all of this screw tight, and and when I push it now, if you look at that, it's easy to move. Same thing like this one. I mean, up position is never have a problem. Problem was down position because of this small stuff. I mean, this one is stuck over the inside. So also I can show you something here for cleaning the stuffs here. That's very easy to actually pull it out. That stuff you can pull it out here. These pieces for cleaning purpose. Let me see. Okay, yeah, for cleaning. You see that there's some filter. Like this one, you can pull it out also. So you can push it this one and pull it out this one. This coming out, you see here. So and there you see that there is filter, and this filter is it's not bad. And also there is another filter. This filter you can pull it out from this side also. See here, and this side right there. And this was normally dirty, so you can pull it out. See, this is very good. It's not going the different way, it's only one way, so doesn't matter. So then put it back together. I just say that like for cleanup, you can also clean up like that with your vacuum. That's the shark robotic vacuum, and hopefully this video help you guys. Thanks. Sorry, one more thing I want to show you for cleaning these pieces. You see Most of the time it was, you can see two knob, this one and this one. Pull it out and it should be coming out. See, I just cleaned up, and then you can put it back, this one also same way. So after cleanup, I turn on and put it to back as a duck. Let's see what's going on.
Let's get cleaning.
Earlier it is like right away give me the code. Right now it's no more code or anything, so I need to push the clean. Okay, done. Now look, looks good, no code, nothing. Alright, hopefully this video helped some people, somebody. Thanks for watching.